Yo, what's up, everyone? Today we're breaking down the slang term HBY. So, what does it actually mean? In simple words, HBY is shorthand for how about you? People use it when they want to ask someone how they are or what they think after sharing something themselves. Sometimes it can also mean something slightly different depending on the context. Where did it come from? Slang usually has a cool backstory. HBY first showed up in early 2000s internet chat rooms and instant messaging. Over time, it spread into everyday talk, especially among younger people texting or chatting online. Now let's check out how to use HBY in a sentence. Correct example 1. I just finished my homework, HBY. Correct example 2. Hey, I'm doing great, HBY. And for laughs, here's a wrong example. My grandma said HBY at Sunday dinner and everyone just froze. See how slang adds personality and vibe? Using HBY right makes you sound natural, but using it wrong can be hilarious. Quick recap. HBY means how about you? It started in early internet chat, and now you'll hear it in conversations, online, or even in music. Now it's your turn. Drop your best sentence with HB in the comments. And if you want to learn more slang and fun word histories, don't forget to subscribe and join our community here every day.